I'm Steve from SW Diesel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fit one of my diesel performance chips to your car. Please take time to read and absorb all the instructions inside the kit. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me. In most cases, your engine cover will have to be removed. Next step would be to locate the rail pressure sensor at the end of the common rail, as shown here. Second step is to locate your boost pressure sensor located here. Please mount the unit on a wiring loom, allowing for some suspension. Please take care to cable tie all wires securely. After installation, make sure the LED lights are working in the correct sequence, as per the instructions.